Unlock endless creativity with large 3D magnetic blocks, perfect Montessori STEM toy for kids 3 to 8. Ignite your child's imagination with these large 3D magnetic building blocks, the ultimate toy for toddlers and young kids. Designed for children aged 3 to 8, these magnetic cubes offer endless possibilities for creative play. With a portable design perfect for travel, your child can enjoy building wherever they go, turning long car rides, plane trips, or outdoor adventures into fun, educational experiences that keep them engaged and happy. These magnetic blocks are more than just toys, they're powerful learning tools. Combining STEM education with sensory play, they foster 3D spatial thinking, color recognition, and fine motor skills. The rustling sound they make during play adds a sensory delight that captures your child's attention and enhances their learning experience. The block's compatibility with Montessori teaching principles makes them ideal for both home and preschool environments. What sets these magnetic blocks apart is their upgraded design. Featuring larger magnets in the center of each side, these blocks rotate smoothly at any angle, enabling more flexible structures and creative possibilities. Unlike traditional magnetic toys that can only align at specific points, these blocks open up a world of endless configurations, making them a superior choice for building and imaginative play. Their strong magnetic attraction ensures stable constructions that won't easily topple, keeping frustration at bay and fun in full swing. Quality and safety are paramount with these magnetic blocks. Made from high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic with rounded edges, they are designed with your child's safety in mind. The larger 1.41-inch size eliminates the risk of accidental ingestion, while the durable construction ensures they withstand rough play. These blocks are also waterproof and easy to clean, offering lasting durability that stands up to the rigors of daily use. Whether you're looking for the perfect gift for a birthday, holiday, or special occasion, these magnetic building blocks are a hit with both kids and parents alike. The vibrant colors, strong magnets, and satisfying click sound make them an engaging toy that kids won't want to put down. Affordable, educational, and endlessly entertaining, these magnetic blocks are a must-have addition to any child's toy collection, providing hours of fun while promoting learning and creativity.